Hello everybody, short video here, just talking about this here coronavirus and all that. It's putting a hurting on everybody. My shop has been dead for the last couple weeks since this has started, really. And it's just ridiculous. I haven't had no work. I've had some people call talking about bringing stuff in, and they never showed up. Because the state pretty much, you can't go to any restaurants and eat in. You got to do all carry out or drive or delivery, I mean. But it's just hurting everybody. They say it's really bad, and you get other people that say it and it's not as bad. So it's like, what do you believe? But it's affecting a lot of businesses and all that. Trying to get toilet paper, which is ridiculous. Everybody hoarding this stuff. And it's like, you can't get no food. Hamburger, meats, even butter they're hoarding. It's just ridiculous, but I hope I don't get it. Hope no one I know don't get it. Hope none of my subscribers get it, but if you do, take care of yourself and make sure you go to the doctors and get it took care of if they can treat you and get it going. But just wanted to do a short video here. I'm trying to figure out some stuff to do. I got some mowers on my own that I need to work on and get them ready to sell. So I'll probably end up doing some videos on those. But as for now, my shop is pretty much dead until this stuff passes, probably. And after that, I'm hoping it picks up, and I'm really busy. But as of right now, I'm just sitting around doing nothing besides selling on eBay, and it's picked up. But nobody's getting out of their houses really much. So they're doing all their shopping online. So don't forget to like my videos, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button, and have a great day, everybody. Bye.